this black ugly blood clot bleach out, brother now. Got him black down here and brown and bleach out and rain. Nothing. Oh, the crown. I take it off this one your head and put it on that the one head. Papa, you can't crown nobody.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Go on, bless up on yourself, First and foremost, know the style. I wall on there with the latest updates at JA, so subscribe if I your first time. Anyways, my viewers and subscribers, rumors and speculation are go around about Spice and Shenzi and who being the new dancehall queen, right? So, otherwise from speculations and other theories and things were put out upon different platforms, Mark Nuffy himself get involved and him say him take the tune from Spice and Bright. Hey, but you tell me what you think. But anyways, you don't know. We know way back Spice and Mark Nuffy never get along because Mark Nuffy did bad mind her differently and try things to bring her down. You see me guys? We are talking how it is. But this is going right now. So you don't know differently. He must say Shenzi are the new queen of dancer, if you get me. But differently the peeps and the audience have to put him in place.
What is a crowd? You don't think crowd I feel like a blood class song them on and sing out on the mouth. I feel dedication on the put a Bumbuckler Walgreens for 3 years and come board and I turn supervisor. When? Are you a fucking idiot? Some people are work our establishment for all 15 years all know them on a blood class supervisor. They will get manager, yes? But not supervisor. You crazy? But you with your bleach out black Bumbuckler self, no boy, you put bleaching cream on your body. You're not rich. What you want to do? Look like me? You cannot look like Bumbuckler at me. All what you may ease up on the bleaching, I'm still brown. Look at that. Brother, we do this effortlessly, you see me? We don't want to tell me, brother, the easier Bumbuckler itself, man. Everyone know, nobody now go take it from no girl in a dance hall so them a work. Me no need to call no girl name in a dance hall. Every girl in a dance hall a work and me proud. You understand me? But I saw the crown thing go. We have to work, man. Work for that Bumbuckler. Some of them there 2 years, 3 years, yet you don't reach crown status yet, post soul. And that's a work go. We work and continue work and make we see it. And make we see with the number one song them in our face over and over and over. That's why we Crown Vybz Kartel. Not we, me, and many others, trillions of we. Crown Vybz Kartel as king because of continuous hit songs him put out regularly. Almost 20 years now. Not even almost 20 years now. This man in a dancer continuously. I throw big heavyweights. Big kick down him up, chop down, no matter who come him relevant him. Oh, you mean that a king? We have to put him over there and say, alright, a king that. Spice is the same thing. We know them the girl first, she said, me is a girl, me not fight off a man. From a little bit of just dry head Spice. Remember, so we know Spice for Spice head dry, We know Spice for Maga Spice. Scran them. We know, I hears that Papa from that blood clot primary school scran them there. Scran them work. Scran them work for your crown. So one look, if you want to look on one look a 4-year artist and get that crown over, scran them. We are locked down dancehall so much in years now, continuous hit after hit. You are fucking idiot. That is not how Bumbuckler kingship and queenship go. Kingship and queenship got different from how I think it go. I know the Bumbuckler where the amount of work you put in over Yasami G. Continuous years of hit song up on top. Oh, you mean? Near Makala when Marian in a business. Oh, you mean? From them that time there. You can't come and see look or come of artists and walk and give them the blood clot crown. You give them ratings. I better you do that and tell the artists them to work. I want to make some of them artists that come here and think so them bigger than what they are. Even the other blood clot, they see blood clot style up here. Come and talk about say him going to be king in the next 12, 13 months. Brother, you're not even a dancehall 5 fucking year yet. A Bumbuckler but you talk about kingship. Someone in the business and writing on the head long time, but when you get recognized. When you get recognized 3 years ago, 4 years ago, all on a queen and king to pussy clad. When you put in some more work, I want to work out, that's how people do. One heap of things. I'm doing, man. So now, every minute you see this black ugly blood clot bleach out, brother now. Cause him black down here, so I'm brown and bleach out and red. Nothing. Oh, the crown. I take it off this one your head and put it on that the one head. Papa, you can't crown nobody. And also dance I'll go. A continuous hits and riding blood clot billboard do this. Time after time, billboard, iTunes, you just a tear it down. Years, me not tell about 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, years. Me in 2000 and from before you come in at the teen. Someone know some of them people here would just come in at 18, you know, in 18. 2014, 15, 16, 17. Who know want give them your people here kingship and queenship over some people who are still in the business from 2004, 5, 6, 7. We don't say no, but on a real blood clot full up and nothing. You know, see sting top keep. You fit top keep too. You and a sting. A sting you done, Papa. Look at me. You see the day when sting done? You done too. You leng all on it back up and gone at one place or one bumbo clad part. See, right now, me see that I try, boy, you try rescue my career and a table. You take off crown off of my girl Spice and go put it on overhead. You can't just keep that, you know. You can't just hold on for that, you know. You can't just keep that for your souvenir. You can't just hold on for that and keep it for your souvenir. Tight under your balls. You understand them you deal with? Because when you see people do their hard work out there, you can go like, you don't want to discredit them, you can go like, say, you don't want to give them what they work for. Continuous years worth of work, and you can go like, you don't want, I can never work hard enough in the blood clot business. I can lie down and get things, just like how she want to lie down on the internet and get things right now. She want to use people after people, make dark song for me. She a hammer already, so now she try so hard, she a fight. For the right, you're saying a dance all right now. Me never see Spice have a fight. No, she continue work and she continue write song. If you don't like the one that she write more. And she write more and she sell herself. Me no mean sexually. Maybe she market her work, she market her music, and market her. Lord, the blood clot girl go suck your mama. The girl a queen. Ma can never work hard enough with her look at 3-4 song them. 3-4 song, you can be king queen in a dance hall with 4 song. A fucking idiot that. Enough is a idiot. Everybody knows enough is a blood clot idiot that fights back for your boss. You boy enough you fight back for your boss so hard. Everybody know that. Pussy hole. Every blood clot body know that. You know no career. Maka know no career. I'm wearing on a blood clot career. But the whole out of cock up in a studio, cut and paste, the whole out of careless no blood clot. I want to up their plan for you. You can't do nothing to dancer because dancer not deal with them, they flow there. Them the flow they gone right now. You know what kind of flow going right now? You know what kind of flow going right there, sir? Regular we a get girl, we not have to say nothing. Pussy run. You want a girl is go put it down. You want a girl is go put it down. And this a dancer gone right now, you know, easy and cozy and nice. Here we wanna go with dancehall, you know. You know, if you back it up, Maka, if you back it up, you back it up, sit up and you can make it blah, blah, blah. What the bumbo cloud do you, my G? I wish part in one dance. You think that you're playing on my dance? You know, over dance. That you're playing on my dance. Pussy run. You want a girl is go put it down. That's how you playing on my dance. Come on a top charge, man, a bad boss, man, a G. Out here, without fear. Outside in your mouth side. Me no want hear none of them the kind of blood clot mess, man. And with the blood clot, oh, lock up that bomb clot now. Hey. Over the blood. Alright, lock off that. Lock it off. Thank you. Yo, sorry about that. I'm a copyright me, I'm pretty. Yeah, we don't want no intrusion in my copyright, you see me? Yeah. So as me tell you,